I'm not so self-conscious about my face, so it's helped in that way.
And I was just so grateful that Dr. Eberting did such a thorough examination of my entire body, and that she was able to catch the two moles that she was concerned about that both ended up being melanoma.
I think we've brought 5 of our 6 kids here, and we've loved it. It's been a great experience. That's why we keep coming.
I think it's very important that when you have a skin exam that you're checked from head to toe. And I learned very early on in my career that if you don't look very closely and very carefully, you'll miss things.
I specialize in helping people feel good about themselves and the way they look in their skin.
Welcome to Alpine Dermatology. We specialize in both medical and cosmetic dermatology. We care for your skin, hair, and nails. Our staff at Alpine Dermatology is here to help. From scheduling your first appointment, to seeing the providers, to any billing questions you may have, we are committed to making your experience here a great one.
We treat all ages here at Alpine Dermatology, from anywhere from 3 weeks to 103. So we offer the most cutting-edge treatments in both medical and cosmetic dermatology. I'm a board-certified dermatologist, and I also did a clinical research fellowship at the National Institutes of Health.
A couple of years ago, actually it was 3 years ago, I came in to see Dr. Eberting. I was concerned about a mole on my forehead and wanted her to remove it. And while I was here, Dr. Eberting gave me a very thorough full body exam, and she found another mole that was concerning to her and removed both of them, and both of them ended up being melanoma. And I'm young, I'm a father of 3 kids, and I'm grateful that she removed those, because now my life is saved, and I know that coming in and getting the moles checked can save everybody's lives, and they just need to get them checked out.
I learned very early on in my career that it's very important to look very carefully, and I pride myself in doing the most thorough skin exam anyone will ever receive. And just relax right where it hinges, right in there. There's a lymph node in there. Sometimes you can feel it. Learn to feel it. You have one right here usually. If you've ever known someone who has fought with melanoma, you know that it can be a terrible thing. And if you get your moles checked and you catch melanoma early, it often is treatable.
Well, I used to have really bad acne and nothing was working, so I came here and they put me on Accutane, and that worked really well for my skin.
Redney, Clinia, they're working, but they're not working great. I think we can make some improvements still. I really enjoy not only helping teenagers, but people of all ages in having great looking skin. When you're young, it's difficult to be self-confident and to feel good in your skin. What's even less fun is when you're in your 30s and 40s and 50s and you're still breaking out. One of the things I specialize in is helping people understand their skin and how they can best take care of it.
We've been in to see Steve Anderson for lots of different things, actually. Most recently we were in just for some wart removal. He's also treated some of my kids with some moles, taking moles off, removing those.
What I think is important is in understanding what the patient wants, and then coming up with a plan that is effective and affordable, and that's going to work both for the patient as well as for their pocketbook.
He's just great. He has a great bedside manner. All of our kids, when I say, oh, we're going to go see Steve Anderson, they're fine to come in to see him. He's really great with kids, and that's important because not every time that you bring your kids into a doctor's appointment, they're excited about it, but they've just all really loved seeing him.
Well, as a physician assistant, I'm coordinating my efforts with Dr. Eberting as well as our master esthetician in treating people's skin. There are some good drug-free options in treating acne, and our master esthetician does this with glycolic acid pills and light therapy.
I'm a mom and I might have more children someday, so I want to be really careful about what I put on my face and what I take into my body. So we decided that the oral medication like Accutane and antibiotics was not what we wanted to do, and I've been receiving chemical pills and then the red and blue light treatment for my acne, and it's made such a great difference. It's helped me control my acne so that I don't need to take harsh medications, and I don't just have to live with my acne.
If you are having a skin, hair, or nail problem, or if you are searching for a secret weapon to make your skin look younger, our staff is extensively trained to help you. Dr. Ebertine delivers the most advanced injection techniques for Botox and fillers. We also have several lasers for the treatment of age spots, wrinkles, veins on your face or legs, acne, stretch marks, laser hair removal, melasma, skin cancers, precancers, and more. Our goal is to always make your visit as effective, safe, efficient, and affordable as possible.